sige. Hello guys,
Health
what is your
candy is not good for you and junk food. Only healthy fruits and you eat this. Get you healthy fruits.
the healthy is fruits, not junk foods, right? That you saying. Then what else?
Grapes, orange, broccoli, lemon, strawberry.
Oh, strawberry. So how about candy?
Candy.
No, I think candy is not healthy for the teeth.
That is the story.
Yeah.